Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem. First of all, we need to press Windows key plus R key together to open run. Then type here services.msc and hit enter. So it will open services window, and this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. So don't worry, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. So we need to find out the Windows security service, and then right click on it, select properties, and yeah, we need to start the services. Once done, click on OK and close this window. Now right click here, select settings, and then go to the click on these three lines, go to apps, go to install apps, and simply type here Windows security. And once we are here, we need to click on these three lines, go to advanced options. Now again scroll down. If this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it, but the app's data won't be affected. So click on repair. This will take around 4 to 5 seconds to complete the process. And if this app still isn't working right, then you can reset it, but this time the app's data will be deleted. So I will also going to do this, and that's it. So we need to restart the system and the problem will be solved. You can also check out our pin comment or in a description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That will be a better way to fix this issue. Go and check out. And yeah, don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.